let's go on over to letter C on page 7. One of the most controversial things is this thing called mixed use properties. And what I'm trying to get at is you've got to put it in the it is or it is not camp. They're mutually exclusive. Is it a dwelling or is it not? And what you see up on your screen are some properties that, yeah, they're dwellings and they're non-residential. Well, you've got to put it one or the other. And so you get to use, if you'll look in C1 on page 7, any reasonable standard to determine the primary purpose. That's the key words here. So make sure you tell your story. Make sure your loan officers are writing down, this is a dwelling because, or this is not a dwelling because. And I don't want you to be ridiculous, but you have some latitude here. Now, you can see that we put down like square footage, the income approach. How about income per square foot? But the one I like best is that letter A, borrower's intent. So that top left one, maybe I'm going to buy that building. I'm going to put a hardware store in the basement on the bottom floor, and I'm going to have some residents above 50/50 square footage. We don't have income numbers yet, that kind of thing. But why are you buying this place, Dave? I said, because I wanted to open up a hardware store. And that sounds to me like a non-residential building. It doesn't matter on the right-hand picture that there's 2 floors of residence and 1 floor of non-residential. That's not really a factor, the square footage, that's just one factor. So can't say because it has 2/3 residential and 1/3 non-residential that it becomes a residence, although that might be an argument the examiners hit you with. You should be able to classify that as a non-residence if you feel like that's the primary purpose. Or maybe it is a residence. I don't want to push you either way.